Hello everyone! Welcome back to Ms. V English channel. Learning English feels easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you today.
It really is, David. You look cheerful today. Did something good happen?
Yes, I just finished my morning errands. I went for a walk, had coffee, and even visited the bank.
The bank? That's perfect. Wow, that's our topic today.
No way. What a coincidence.
Yes, today we're talking all about the bank, how to speak English confidently when you visit one.
That's going to be so useful for our learners.
It is, but before we begin, we have a tiny favor to ask.
If you're enjoying our lessons, please click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe and share this lesson with your friends so we can all learn English together.
Thank you so much. All right, Emma, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's visit the bank. Bank. Okay, we've just arrived. Look, Bright Star Bank. It feels quiet and safe here.
Yes, banks are safe places to keep our money. That's their main job.
Right. We don't want to hide money under our beds.
Haha, definitely not. The bank is much better.
So why do we go to the bank, David?
We go to keep money safe, open accounts, deposit money, withdraw cash, or pay bills.
Let's say that slowly for our learners. Deposit, put money in. Withdraw, take money out.
Perfect. Repeat after us. I want to deposit money. I want to withdraw cash.
Great practice. I'd like to open a new account today. What should I say at the counter?
Easy. Say, hello, I'd like to open a bank account, please.
I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Nice. The person you speak to is called a teller, the bank worker who helps customers.
Oh, like a storyteller, but for money.
Haha, yes, kind of. The teller will ask for your ID and address.
So they might say, "May I see your ID, please?"
Exactly. Then they'll give you a form, a paper with questions like name, address, and phone number.
You fill out the form. That means you write the answers.
Right. And finally, you sign it. That's your signature.
Signature, your personal name in writing.
Once you sign, congratulations, you have your bank account.
Yay, my first bank account. So now I have an account. How do I put money into it?
You say, I'd like to make a deposit, please.
Deposit, put money in.
Yes. For example, I'd like to deposit $100.
And if I need money, I can say, I'd like to make a withdrawal, please.
Or more naturally, I'd like to take out some cash.
Let's practice. I'd like to make a deposit. I'd like to take out some cash.
Well done.
David, what's the difference between a checking account and a savings account?
Great question. A checking account is for everyday spending, coffee, groceries, bills.
So that's daily money.
Yes, a savings account is for the future, a vacation, an emergency, or something special.
Ah, so checking is for today, savings is for tomorrow.
Exactly.
Sometimes the bank is closed, but I still need cash.
Then you can use the ATM, automated teller machine.
Automated teller machine, like a robot bank.
Yes, it's open 24 hours a day. You need two things, your bank card and your PIN.
PIN? That's my secret number.
Exactly. 4 digits. Keep it secret.
So at the ATM, I insert my card, enter my PIN, choose withdraw cash, and select the amount.
Yes, then the machine gives you money like magic.
Magic money, but don't forget your card.
Never. Always take your card before you walk away.
What if I lose my bank card?
Oh, that's scary, but don't panic. Call the bank immediately.
So I can say, "Hello, I lost my card. Please cancel it right away."
Perfect. The bank will block the card so nobody can use it.
That keeps my money safe.
Exactly. And remember, never share your PIN with anyone.
My PIN is top secret. I'm traveling soon to Italy. They use euros there.
Then you need to exchange money. You can do that at the bank.
So I give them dollars and they give me euros.
Right. That's currency exchange.
Currency, the word for money from different countries.
Exactly. For example, dollars, euros, pounds, yen, all currencies.
So I can say, "I'd like to exchange some money, please."
Perfect English.
David, do you use online banking?
All the time. I check my account on my phone. It's convenient and fast.
Yes, me too. I can pay bills, check my balance, even send money.
Balance. That means how much money you have right now.
Right, and it's good to check your balance before buying that expensive pizza.
Ha 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 ha. Always.
Online banking saves time. No lines, no forms.
Exactly, but sometimes it's still nice to visit the real bank and talk to a person.
Yes, especially when you have a question or need help. Okay, let's review some useful words from today's conversation.
Good idea. Repeat after us.
1. Account. Your money's home at the bank. I opened a new account.
2. Deposit, to put money in. I deposited my paycheck.
3. Withdrawal. To take money out. I made a withdrawal of $50.
4. Teller, the person who helps you at the bank counter. The teller was very friendly.
5. ATM. Automated teller machine. The robot bank. I got cash from the ATM.
6-P. IN dash your secret personal number for your card. Never tell anyone your PIN.
7. A balance. How much money you have right now. I checked my balance online.
Well done, everyone.
Let's do a quick recap before we close the bank for today.
Good idea. The place we keep our money is the bank. Your money box there is your account.
When you put money in, that's a deposit. When you take money out, that's a withdrawal.
The person who helps you is the teller, and the robot helper is the ATM.
Your PIN keeps your card safe, and your balance shows how much you have.
Excellent. You're learning real English for real life.
Every word you speak brings you closer to fluency. Keep going. You're doing amazing. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for joining us at the bank.
We hope this episode helps you feel confident speaking English in real-life situations.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
And remember, the more you practice, the easier English becomes.
Stay confident, stay curious, and keep speaking English every day.
See you next time on Miss V English channel, where learning English feels easy and fun.
Bye, everyone.